warm undertone hijab. So let me try this on. So this hijab is gorgeous. Just quickly going to show you guys how each hijab looks against my skin tone, so hopefully you get an idea, but I'm not going to put them on perfectly because that will just take forever. So this is the first color. It is so pretty. For this winter, I've been buying so many jersey hijabs. If you're on TikTok, you know that I love jersey hijab for winter, even autumn. But then I thought, let me get something that's a little bit different. So this is a ribbed jersey hijab. As you can see, it has that sort of texture going along. I feel like it will give me a little bit of extra. So let me show you guys. This is like a chocolate brown. It's coming up as black, but it is a little bit of a chocolate brown color. But I'm going to show you guys how it looks. I love jersey hijabs because you could put them on in seconds, especially because I am a busy mom. I don't want to take forever to put my hijab on. And secondly, it just stays on all day and it doesn't fly away, so it's perfect for those windy seasons. And I actually like the way this feels. It's very lightweight as well. I've been wearing the hijab for years now, alhamdulillah, and since day one I've been wearing chiffon hijabs, but recently this year I've switched to modal and jersey. But I thought I need to get two different colours for my coming up holiday. And these are the two chiffon hijabs that I picked up. It's this neutral colour that I feel like go with every single outfit. And I got this colour because I have an outfit and I really wanted a chiffon hijab to go with it. You can't go wrong with a chiffon hijab. It looks really elegant, flows really nicely. But sometimes some people have the issue of it being transparent. But if you are able to wrap it around and the hijab is of good length and you have a good undercap, that should solve the problem. So this is the next shade and it goes really nice with my skin tone. I feel like it matches exactly. And this is just a must-have shade for every hijabi. Like, you just need a neutral shade like this. And next up, I got more jersey hijabs because I've been literally living in each of my jersey hijabs, so I needed a little bit more. I bought two standard jersey hijabs from the brand and I bought the premium jersey hijabs because they feel so much better and they are much more larger maxi. So if you like a lot more coverage for the hijabs, then the premium range is perfect, and they're not that much of a difference in price. You could choose whichever one you like, but these are the standard hijabs that I got, and I picked up 4 different premium hijabs. I'll show you guys the difference so you guys can also understand. This is the way that the standard jersey hijab looks. I do like it. If you're after affordable jersey hijabs, then definitely just go for this. For the price, I can't complain. You could get around 6 jersey hijabs sometimes for the offer of £10, but there are a difference in the hijab and also the fabric. So this contains cotton and a mix of polyester, whilst the premium jersey have 100% cotton. And this is the navy blue in the standard jersey hijab. Like I mentioned, if you are after just jersey hijabs that are affordable, definitely go for the standard. But if you are willing to pay a little bit more and get the premium jersey hijab, definitely do that because the quality is a little bit more better. It feels so much more lightweight. I'll show you guys all the colours that I got. So this is the premium jersey hijab in the first colour, and it feels so much more lightweight and it is much more wider. So if you do like a little bit more coverage, as you can see, it does provide that, and I just love the way it also flows. I highly recommend the premium jersey hijabs, and I am going to be picking up way more colours, and the hem stitching really helps to frame the hijab around my face. And usually because I have chubby cheeks, jersey hijabs doesn't frame my face that well, but this one does, and I really do like it. And because the hijabs are made out of 100% cotton, it's so lightweight and airy. You can wear them in summer as well and for winter, so all season round. I need this colour in every single fabric, so I got it in jersey as well. It's my favourite colour. Here it is in the premium jersey hijab as well. And because I love this colour in the chiffon fabric, when I picked it up in jersey, I can't wait to wear this. I don't usually go for these sort of colours, so I thought I'll try something different, and I am in love with this fabric. So yes, so those were the premium jersey hijabs and comparison to the standard jersey hijabs. If you are willing to put a little bit more money and buy the premium, I would highly recommend it. It's such more airy. You can wear them all year round. So the brand also has different undercaps. I usually wear tube undercaps, but I picked up a few different ones for my mum as well because she wears the bonnet ones. So here are the undercaps. I'll show you guys. So this is the tube undercap. I usually wear these sort of undercaps on an everyday basis, but if my fabric is a little bit more see-through, I'll probably add another layer to hide my hair, but this is a go-to. But I do love wearing tube undercaps. It just lets a little bit more air to circulate. I got it in this colour as well to match my nude hijab. I also got 2 bonnets for my mum, so she likes wearing, this is made up 100% polyester, but I highly recommend that you do invest in good undercaps. So I feel like undercaps are very underrated. Because we do wear our hijab quite frequently, it's good to invest in a good undercaps because that is what is in contact with our hair, and getting a good bonnet will prevent any sort of damage. So this is the bonnet that I got for my mum. It is made out of cotton, so it is more airy and you'll let the air flow through into the undercap onto her her hair, so you just prevent any sort of damage. Also try satin undercaps, but they do tend to slip and slide, so I think the best bet is cotton undercap. And that's all for my hijab haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got some idea on which fabric to choose. Satin hijabs works well for events, I'll say, party events. They look so much elegant and nicer, but they do tend to slip and glide. Chiffon hijabs works for every single day. That used to be my go-to hijab, but it is a little bit more transparent, so you have to keep that in mind. And jersey hijabs are super beginner friendly because it only takes seconds to put on. You don't even need any pins. Stays on all day, and you can wear them all year round depending on which fabric you choose, cotton or if you get a mixed jersey hijabs, and there's so many options out there. So if you guys are interested to buy these hijabs from this certain brand, definitely check my TikTok. I'll leave the username below and I will be linking each product on that video as well. So yes, I'll see you guys in my next video, inshallah.